Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about JUnit architecture. Now friends, when it comes to JUnit is a framework for run the test cases. JUnit is a framework which help us to run test to automate the testing part. Alright. Now friends, when it comes to JUnit, in order to run the test cases, there is a platform, there is a JUnit engine. This platform help us to run the test cases. This is the heart and soul of the framework. Now when it comes to this platform, there are a couple of APIs which help us to utilize this platform. So what are these APIs? There are in total 3 set of APIs which are available with JUnit 5. There is Vintage. As the name suggests, for backward compatibility there is this package Vintage. Then we have Jupyter. Jupyter is the code name of JUnit 5, and then we also have the third-party APIs. These APIs, or in fact this provision, help us to code custom APIs, and the custom APIs can be used by custom test cases or custom type of testing. So in here, first of all, why name of JUnit 5 is Jupyter? Now friends, there is no logical explanation of why the developers has given the name as Jupyter. Rather, the explanation could be because the name Jupyter starts with JU. Moreover, Jupyter is the heaviest planet in our solar system. Moreover, it's also the 5th planet in the solar system. And this is the code name for JUnit 5. So it makes sense that they have given the name as Jupyter. Alright, now moving forward, let us check a couple of things. Now whenever you wish to run the vintage old test cases which are built using, for example, JUnit 4, we can make use of the API which are available to us, the Vintage API. Alright, so the Vintage API also comes with JUnit 5. We can indeed run the old test cases using JUnit 5. Then we have the JUnit 5 test cases. Now test cases which are developed using the JUnit 5 methodology are definitely run using the Jupyter API, and the package name where we have the API is again Jupyter. So when it comes to JUnit 5, Jupyter package is the package where we have the APIs. And then finally we also have the custom test cases which can be run using the third-party API. This third-party API is totally a different thing. A customization option is given by JUnit 5, but in most of the cases JUnit 5 test cases or Jupyter package is good enough, and when it comes to old test cases we can again make use of the Vintage APIs. Alright, so this is the infrastructure of JUnit 5. This is the architecture, but when it comes to JUnit 5 or JUnit in general, how to execute or how to test using JUnit. In order to test or in order to perform test cases using JUnit 5, there must be some tools, and indeed there are tools. There are tools like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, Maven, Gradle, and etc. What are these? Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ are nothing but IDEs. So the support of JUnit are available for these popular IDEs. There could be like many more IDEs which support JUnit, and JUnit is the testing engine for Java. Then we also have Maven and Gradle, and when we build our application using Maven or Gradle, we can again enable JUnit again. So whenever we will be building the piece of software, Maven or Gradle will firstly test, and if there is any failed test, your application will not build. So again, that's again a very good way. So we have these tools like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ, Maven, Gradle, which utilizes the power of JUnit, which is nice. And in our next video, indeed, we will try to check how to make use of Eclipse in order to build a project, and later down the line how to like add the support of JUnit into the project. Alright, so interesting stuff is coming up. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care and have a nice day.